Hi, Jan Kelly here. This is one in a continuing series of showing you how to edit stuff in neovim. I just discovered this. It's fantastically good. I don't really know why I never ran across it before, but it's there's a way of renaming variables in neovim, but it's done with the LSP, which is the Language Server Protocol. The keystroke that I'm going to be showing you, as you can see in line 3 here, is space CR. So you're going to see me typing that. So what you do is okay, so this is some code. Um, and it's code in the R language. And I think with no matter what language, it'll probably make sense to you. So I have a block here. It begins and ends here. You can see where the block is. Um, and uh, and within this block, I have a variable called argo. And outside the block, I have a variable called argo. Now, if I did a global search and replace, maybe I want to change Argo to Argo new or something like that. Global search and replace. I could, if I made it do the whole file, I'd wreck it, obviously, because I'd get it also changed in here, and I might not want that. Or I could do it and I could answer the question. I could do a query. So I'd have to say yes, yes, no, 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 and things like that. But there's a much cooler way. So let me just go to this variable. I'm on a variable now. And you can see the keystrokes I'm typing in the top right. So I'm going to do space and then C for code and then R for rename. I'm going to give it a new name. It's going to be called Argo new. That's you can see it twice. You can see that there's Argo at the very top before the block and at the end. So I'll do enter and you see that it changed these outside the block, but it didn't change them inside the block. So let me just undo that. Now maybe we'll try it in here just to sort of show you. Um, and again, I do space, C for code, R for rename, and I'll maybe give it the same, I'll call it newer, and enter. And you see that it's changed it only within the block. This is fantastically useful, really, really helpful, I think. So I hope this video was useful to you, and I hope that if you try this out, and so I should say probably I'm using the lazy Vim sort of collection or whatever you would say of neovim. I don't think I've changed anything to get this to happen. I do have some. I'm running a language server for the R language, but I bet if I showed you some Python code, it would work as well. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day. Bye.